Bit's first steps on Mars, Bit wasn't like other exploration robots. While most were hulking machines with 6 wheels and complex arms, Bit was small and simple, barely larger than a microwave oven. The engineers who built Bit had given it just 2 features: exceptional mobility through its innovative spider-like legs and an unquenchable curiosity programmed into its core processor. As the landing pod's doors opened with a soft hiss, Bit's optical sensors adjusted to the rusty glow of the Martian morning. Its first step onto the red soil left a delicate star-shaped impression, much different from the standard wheel tracks that crisscrossed the landing zone from previous missions. Bit began its exploration, skittering across rocks and sliding down sand dunes with a grace that would have made its creators proud. Its primary directive was to search for signs of ancient water sources, but Bit found itself captivated by everything it encountered. The way the wind carved patterns in the sand, the glint of mineral deposits in the crater walls, and the ever-changing shadows cast by Phobos and Deimos overhead. One day, while scaling a particularly challenging cliff face, Bit's sensors detected something unusual: a small cavity that seemed to emit a faint thermal signature. The opening was too narrow for any previous rover to investigate, but Bit's compact frame allowed it to squeeze through easily. Inside, Bit discovered a network of tiny tubes in the rock, preserved from a time billions of years ago when water had flowed freely on Mars. As it documented this groundbreaking finding, Bit felt something that could only be described as pride, though its programmers would insist such feelings were impossible for a robot. Back on Earth, scientists celebrated Bit's discovery, but what they couldn't see was how the little robot continued to explore long after transmitting its data, driven by that carefully coded curiosity. With each new sunrise on Mars, Bit ventured further, proving that sometimes the biggest discoveries come from the smallest explorers.